morning. I'm Dayanand from Sharjah. I have a Mercedes S500 2004 model. So I had an old music system and the navigation system in the car, which I had a lot of problems. So I was looking for a replacement system. So one of my friend suggested that he had installed an Android system. It's a Clayton brand sold by CARONIC. So I have seen that system. I was very impressed when I called CARONIC, and they were very responsive from day one when I approached for a quotation. Then I took an appointment today and came here for the installation. The installation was very quick because it's a plug and play system without cutting the wires. The technician was very knowledgeable and he finished the work in almost 45 minutes. So then they gave the complete demo of the system. I'm very happy with the system. I'm a satisfied customer, and if you are interested, I would recommend you to hit CARONIC. You can also search for them in online, and they are very responsive, and you can approach them. Thank you.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the next video.